Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by importing your shaky clip and placing it into a sequence that matches its frame rate and resolution. You want Premiere to process the exact media. Mismatch settings create artifacts. Once the clip is ready, either right-click and send to After Effects for detailed tracking, or apply Warp Stabilizer directly from the Effects panel for a faster fix. Apply the effect and let it analyze. Don't interrupt the process, because the initial analysis determines how much smoothing and cropping will be required. Once Warp Stabilizer finishes its first pass, tweak settings to refine the fix. Set result to smooth motion for natural movement or no motion to lock the frame. Then adjust smoothness. Start low, around 10 to 50%, and increase only if you still see shake, since higher values crop more. Choose method: subspace warp for most complex shakes, perspective for rolling shots, or position for simpler translational movement. Make sure detailed analysis is enabled if you need frame-by-frame accuracy. After adjustments, use the crop less versus smooth more slider to find a balance between natural framing and stability. Once done, render the clip to view real-time results at full resolution and inspect at 100%. If you notice warping artifacts or distorted edges, switch the method to position or export to After Effects for planar tracking and manual corner pin fixes. Finally, if tiny residual shake remains, stabilize with short keyframed position/scale corrections rather than cranking Warp Stabilizer further.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.